Alright guys, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. I'm currently in a trade and I'm already in profit. You can see the trade here on my chart. And I just want to explain you guys the setup and how I decide or why I decided to take this trade. I'm pretty close to exit this trade, but I just want to give you guys a quick recap what I did, and you can see I'm still in that trade. So when my TP gets hit, I think I'm just going to put it a little bit more down here. I'm getting $700 and I risk it around like $200. So this is a pretty good trade for me, to be honest. And today I just want to give you guys my explanation how I decided to look for longs, because I think today we had, for a Monday, because normally I don't like Mondays, but for a Monday we had like the best or the most bullish buyers you can have. And I think I will start with the daily buyers. So why did I already decided before the session, okay, I only want to look for longs? So in this case, we had the daily open here. So that's the blue line here. And this is where the daily candle is opening up. And you can see we only created a small wick. So this is the daily high here, the blue line above. So we almost created no wick above. And since that we went down and we had a lot of engineered liquidity. So we have Asia highs here, we had London highs here, and what we did, we had a fair value gap here. I think I can just show this here on the 4-hour chart. We just touched this fair value gap, and this was the reason why I was bullish. And also we had a really strong up move yesterday. So for me, there was no reason that this daily candle will close bearish. So I was like, okay, the chance is really high that this daily candle will close in green colors and also bullish up move. So there was no reason for me to look for shorts here. But now we come to the reason why I decided to take this entry here. To be honest, I was already looking for longs here, but there was no chance for me to get involved here. But what I noticed was we had a really bullish 9 a.m. candle. So you can see the candle opened up and we had open, low. So we manipulated down and closed really strong up here. So for me, it was clear, okay, 10 a.m. will just continue to go higher. And what I did was, okay, the 10 a.m. candle, let's see where the open was. So the open was right here. So you can see this. I think I'm going to mark this out so you can see this, and until 11. So the whole red line is the 10 a.m. hourly candle, and you can see we only had a small manipulation down, and since that we only went up. So also here at the open there was no chance to get in. I mean, you can draw out a breaker here, for example, on order block, but as you can see, there was no chance to get in. But later on we received this little down move, and for me it was all perfect, because I think my TP is about to hit. Let's see. Okay, now I'm going to explain it. So there was no chance to get in, but for me it was clear, okay, we have a perfect draw on liquidity. We had a really bullish 9 a.m. close. So for me this is clear for longs, and the next down move I want to look for getting in. And the only thing I did was, and this is what you see normally on a queue, you have this fake, I call it fake breaker formation. So you have this breaker block. I mean, this was an order block and price just dropped below it. So people taking shorts, and I think this price is about to hit. Come on. I also have a second trade here. I think we are fine. People looking for shorts, but it makes no sense because the buyers are clearly bullish and price wants to go up. So I was just waiting for the next for a bullish, how can I say this? For a bullish continuation on the 1-minute chart. And I noticed these strong up buying candles, so I just decided to set my order here, stop loss below the low, and since that price went up heavy, and this was simply my trade. So today I did not followed my standard deviation model. So normally, I think you guys know I'm using a lot of standard deviation. I think I'm lowering my stop loss to this point here because you guys know I'm normally using a lot of standard deviation, but today I missed the main move. Like normally my model is participating here because the 9 AM candle opened up here and I want to participate in the wick of the 9 AM candle, but there was no entry for me. So today I was just scalping, but it was also successful. Like I think I should scalp a lot more because my win rate was a lot better, because normally my main model has a win rate of like I think 40 or 30%, but I have really high arch rates. But today when I started to scalp, like this was really good, to be honest. But let's see how this plays out. My stop loss is on break even, and when I see any bearish M3 candle closing here or something, I'm just deleting. I'm closing the position, like I don't want to wait. Let's see how the M5 candle is looking. Okay, that's not so good looking. And the problem is we already touched the daily open, so maybe I will get out here right now. Let's see, because I also don't really like the hourly candle, because you can see this here again, we had no manipulation to the downside, only a little wick, and now price only went up. But I'm pretty sure my TP still gets hit. Also same for here. I think I'm closing my trade right here. Just want to get the last up move. And as you can see here, I only had one loss at the moment. So I'm hoping for this trade to get hit. And on this one, no trade today. This is the first one. So really nice profit. But as you can see, these accounts are still in drawdown. So I made some mistakes in the last week. Don't want to say I was on a losing streak, because I also had some great winners on other accounts. But on these accounts, these are with Lucid trading. And I made some bad decisions. So I had some losses here. So not so good. Okay, let's see what price is doing here. Come on. And the first one, so on this account I was able to minimize my loss, and also here I think nope, no hit. I think I'm going out here. Okay, fine. So I made $600, a little bit less than expected, but I don't want to take any risks here, because you can see we already hit daily open. So that was my target. So now I rent out here, but this is also great opportunity. If you have any questions, just write it in the comments, and see you tomorrow.